Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5, Subject Environmental Studies Part 2, Topic From Shelters to Village Settlements. Notes. Question number 1. Answer each one of the following question in one sentence. First, which animals did the Homo sapiens mainly hunt? Answer. The Homo sapiens mainly hunted small animals like the wild boar, deer, mountain goat and sheep. Second, what is the characteristic of the new Stone Age? Answer. The beginning of cultivation is a characteristic of new Stone Age. Question number 2. Give reasons for the following. A. The diet of Homo sapiens underwent a change. Point number 1. You have to write answers, brief answers and give reasons in point. So, always remember, write it point wise. You can number it as 1 or you can write it as this one, like small I as I have given over here. First, the climate underwent change and became warmer. Second, big animals like mammoths were on their way to extinction. Third, therefore, the diet of Homo sapiens underwent a change. Second, Homo sapiens needed to stay in one place over longer periods of time. Answer. Point number 1. It was no longer necessary to wander from place to place in search of food. Second, they moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes in climate. Third, thus the Homo sapiens stayed in one place over a longer period of time. Question number 3. Observe the reconstructed picture of a Middle Stone Age seasonal camp and answer the following. First, describe the structure of the houses in the picture. So, look at the picture and answer. See, whatever I am answering over here is relevant to the picture. Answer. The roof is inclined. Inclined means bended. It is slant and is of thatched grass. Thatched grass means the grass which is not green, it is brownish in color. Second, what materials are used to construct the house? Answer. Grass and wood have been used to construct the houses. As you all can see, the grass, the brown, light brown and dark brown grasses which we know we have seen, and the wood are being used to construct the houses. Third, what are the jobs that people at the seasonal camps are engaged? Answer. The people at the seasonal camps were engaged in fishing, agriculture, hunting and making small boats. As I have explained in the chapter and you all can see in the picture as well that they are doing agriculture. Some of them are engaged in fishing, some of them are hunting and some of them are making boats for traveling from one place to another. Small boats for fishing as well as traveling. Question number 4. Write about the effect on your life of the seasonal changes in weather. So, when the season changes, what effects it has on our life, we have to write about it. First, the seasonal changes in weather result in changes in my clothing. So, first, when the season changes, our clothes changes according to the season. I wear warm clothes during winters and light cotton clothes in summer. So in winters we wear warm clothes like sweaters and in summer we wear light clothes like cotton. Third, I fell ill sometimes owing to the season changes and climate and I have to take medicines. So during seasonal changes some of the times we get sick because from sudden summer we go into winter. So that climate change the body cannot accept it and we fell ill. That is why we have to take medicines for it. Fourth, I cannot go out and play games with my friends in the rainy season. So when there is rainy season, at that time the children cannot go out and play. So these were the 4 reasons which I have given. You can change according to your own perspective, your opinion. Question number 5. Compare the New Stone Age village with a modern village. New Stone Age village and on the right hand side modern village. First, New Stone Age village was primitive as it was an early village settlement. So, in New Stone Age the village settlement was very early. So, it was like primitive means old. The fashion or it was old fashioned. Why? Because at that time the people thinking was quite old. So the settlement was also quite old. Second, New Stone Age village was in remote area and had no contact with the outside world. So at the time of New Stone Age, the people started living in village settlement, right? So at that time they were not having any contact with the other clans, other people. Like Homo sapiens, they were Homo sapiens, but there were different kinds of Homo sapiens, so they don't know each other. Third point, human beings lived in huts. So at the time of New Stone Age, the village settlement started. So at that time, they were not having advanced knowledge of houses. So they built huts. The huts were made up of grass and wood. Fourth, agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing were the main activities of the villager. So at that time, at the time of New Stone Age, the people started uh, agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing. They skipped hunting. Why? Because at that time the mammoths animal were way on their extinction, and they knew if they will hunt more animal, they also will extinct. They will also die. So that is why they started animal husbandry and fishing. Now, what modern village? First, modern village is much developed as it underwent many changes over a period of time. So, from New Stone Age to modern village, the time gradually started changing. So, the this development also went under changes, and it changed from village settlement to a modern village. Second, modern villages are well connected with the outside world with the means of transport and communication. So, in modern village, we have means of transport as well as communication systems that are phone, cars, telephone, etc. But in New Stone Age, they were not advanced. They didn't know about these technologies. So that is why they were not having any contact. But in modern village, they were having contact with the outside world with the help of transport and communication. Third, human beings lived in constructed houses. So, in modern village, people started to construct their houses rather than living in huts which were made up of grass and wood. Fourth, beside agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing, many other activities are undertaken by the villagers with the help of machines. So, in modern village, beside agriculture, animal husbandry and fishing, people started to do different activities with the help of the machine like making clothes, potteries and etc.